start recording now. And then I will share my screen because today we're going to review about your exam. Okay, so do you still remember this? Centimeters to millimeters, remember?
Yes.
Yes, so which one is longer? Centimeter or millimeters?
Milliliter.
Longer?
Centimeter.
Centimeters. Okay, millimeters is longer than, sorry, it's shorter than centimeters. Okay, so let me type it here. This one is short. This one is long. Okay, so it says here that whenever you have 1 centimeter, you have to have 10 millimeters. Okay, so it says also here that if we're going to change a long unit into shorter, that means from long, we're going to make it short. We're going to use multiplication. Okay, if we're going to change a short one going to long, we're going to use what?
Division.
Division. Okay. So let me type it here. Shorter. To shorter, we use multiplication. To longer, we use division. Oops, okay. So I will put it here. So this is our conversion. Okay, so let's try 70 centimeters going to millimeters. What is it? Going longer or going shorter?
Going shorter.
Going shorter. If it is going shorter, what are we going to do? Multiplication or division?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Very good. So we have here, copy the number 70. Here, 70. Copy the number. And then you said multiplication. Write multiplication. We will use this conversion. What do we need? We need millimeters. So that means we're going to write 10. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
So what is our answer here? 70 times 10. Do you have your paper and pencil?
In my bag.
Okay. Do you, I think you should solve this one because this will be in your exam. Can you get your paper and pencil?
Okay.
Okay. Only paper and pencil. Okay, so there you go. Now, can you answer what is 70 times 10?
70 times.
Multiply 70 times 10.
70.
Yes, 70 times 10. Oh, what's your answer? I cannot read it. Can you tell me your answer?
70.
70? But we are multiplying 70 here. Oh, okay. Let me show you a shortcut. Okay, how many zeros can you see here? How many?
2.
2. Okay, so that means we're going to write 2 zeros. Oh, we have here 7 times 1.
1.
Oh, 7 times 1?
7.
7. Any number multiplied to 1 is the number itself. So this is your answer already. What's your answer?
700.
700 what?
700 milliliter.
Millimeters. Very good. Okay, so let's do number 2. Okay, so what's the first thing that we're going to do? Write the number. All right, 30. Right, 30. Okay, so centimeters, look at the screen, Gabe. Okay, centimeters going to millimeters. Is it going shorter or going longer?
Shorter.
Shorter. So that means what are we going to use? Multiplication or division?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Okay, so let's write multiplication here. Then we will multiply it with 10. Okay, so now what is 10 times or times 30? Oh, just like what we did here. How many zeros do you have?
2.
2. Okay, so let's write 2 zeros here. So what is 3 times 1?
3.
3. So what's your answer?
300.
300. Very good. Okay, so let's go with number 4 first. Okay. So what are we going to do first? Copy the number 20. Okay. Next. Centimeters to millimeters. Is it going longer or shorter?
Shorter.
Shorter. So what are we going to use? Multiplication or division?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. And then we will just write 10 here because it's your conversion. So what is 20 times 10?
200.
200. Very good. Okay, very good, Gabe. Let's try, okay, one more of that. Let's do number 8. Okay, so what are we going to do first?
Copy the number.
Copy the number. Very good. Copy the number. Next, what are we going to do next? Longer or shorter?
Shorter.
Shorter. If it is shorter, what are we going to do?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Let's write multiplication here. And then, what are we going to write next?
10.
10, because it is your conversion here. So, what is 90 times 10?
900.
900. Very good. Remember that, Gabe, ha? You should count the zeros. How many zeros can you see? Okay, so now let's do a different one. Let's do number 3. What are we going to do first? We copy.
Copy the number.
Copy the number. Very good. Copy the number. Next, millimeters going to centimeters. What is it? Going longer or shorter?
Longer.
Longer. If it is going longer, what are we going to use?
Division.
Division. Okay, so let's do division here. Like that. Division, and then we will just write your conversion 10. Okay. So now, how do we divide 90 divided by 10? Okay, can you solve it in your paper? It's like this, 90 divided by 10. How many 10 do you have in 90? How many 10s do you have in 90?
I will put 5.
Put 5? Why 5? Oh, how many 10s do you have in 90? Okay, so let me show you how to divide it. So you have 90 90 boxes. Let's say this is 90. Okay, let's draw 9 of this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So each of this box is 10. 10, 10, and this is 9. So that's why these are all 90. Okay? Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, now we have only 10 balls. Okay, so how are we going to do that? Wait, I think I'm wrong. Okay, let me think how. I need to draw a bigger number. Okay, so let's just do this one. Okay, so we have here 0, Gabe, 0, 0. Okay, so let's look at 1 and 9. If you have 9 fingers, how many 1 do you have in 9? How many 1? 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1,
9.
9. So that means you have 9. So 9 times 10 is also 90. 90 minus 90 is equals to 0. Your answer is 9.
1.
Okay?
Okay, teacher.
So the answer here is 9. Okay, next. Let's answer number 5. Okay, so what are we going to do here at number 5? What are we going to do first? Copy.
Copy the number.
Copy the number. Okay, so millimeters to centimeters. Is it going longer or shorter?
Longer.
Longer. Okay, so if it is longer, what are we going to do? Multiplication or division?
Division.
Division. Very good. Okay, division. Now, we're going to divide it with what number? Number? Still 10. Okay. So, let's not look with 0. Let's look at here. How many 1 can you make in 8? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 8. So what's your answer?
8.
8 centimeters. Okay, so now Gabe has to do this alone. What are we going to do first here?
Copy the number.
Copy the number. And then, what's next?
Put 10.
Put 10? Okay, oh, I'll put 10 here. And then, what are we going to do next? Is it division or multiplication?
Division.
Division. Okay, so now can you divide 40 divided by 10?
4.
4. Very good. Okay, so let me put this here. And okay, so again, Gabe will do this alone. What is the first thing that we're going to do here? Number 7.
Copy the number.
Copy the number. Okay, next.
Put 10.
Put 10. Okay, put 10 here. Next.
And division.
Division. Okay, very good. Division. So what is 60 divided by 10?
6.
6. Very good, Gabe. Okay, next, number 9. What are we going to do first?
Copy the number.
Copy the number.
And put 10.
Put 10. Next.
And division.
Division. Very good. Okay, so what's your answer?
3.
3. Very good. Okay, next, number 10.
Copy the number.
Copy the number.
Put 10.
Put 10.
And multiplication.
Multiplication. Okay, next.
Equals 100.
100. Very good, Gabe. Okay, next, number 11. Number 11. Number 11. What are we going to do? Number 11.
Copy the number.
Copy the number.
Put 10.
Put 10.
Multiplication.
Multiplication. The answer is
400.
400. Very good. Okay, how about number 12? Number
Copy
12.
the number.
Okay, let's say 50.
And put 10.
Okay, what's the operation first?
Multiplication.
Okay, 50 times what?
10.
50 times 10 equals
500.
500. Very good. Okay, so let's say our answer like this, huh? 50 times the number. Okay, next, number 3. Number 3?
Copy the number.
Let's say the number. What's the number?
70
70.
divided by 10
Equals
7.
7. Very good, Gabe. Okay, next, number 14.
50
50.
divided by 10 is 5.
Very good. Okay, next, number 15.
60
60.
times 10 equals 600.
Very good. Okay, number 16.
20 divided by 10 is 2.
20 divided by 10 equals 2. Wow. Okay, you're getting fast. Next.
80 times 10 equals 800.
800. Wow. Okay, next, number 18.
10 divided by 10 is 1.
1. Okay, next, number 19.
10 divided by 10 is 1.
10 divided by 10 equals 1. Very good. Oh, it's the same. Okay, last number.
40 divided by 10 equals 4.
40 divided by 10 equals 4. Wow! Okay, so did you master it already? You know how to convert? Yes? Or no?
Yes,
Yes. Is it easy or hard?
I thought it's hard.
You thought it's hard, but now is it easy or hard?
It's easy now.
Easy for this part only. Okay, so let's try it one more time. Let's answer the ones that teacher has helped you answer. Okay, so this one, okay, until what number? Okay, until 6 only. 8. Okay, so just like what we did here, you're going to tell me what I'm going to write. Do you need this one or not anymore? Do you still look at this?
Anymore.
Not anymore?
No.
Okay. Wow, that's good. Okay, let's answer number 1. Oh, how can we answer number 1?
Copy
70.
the number.
No, 70.
70 times 10
Mhm.
equals 700.
Very good. Okay, number 2.
30 times 10 equals 300.
Okay, very good. Next, number 3.
90 divided by 10 equals 9.
9. Okay, next, number 4.
20 times 10 equals 200.
Very good. Okay, next, number 5.
80 divided by 10 equals 8.
Very good, Gabe. Okay, number 6.
40 divided by 10 equals 4.
Equals 4. Okay, next.
60 divided by 10 equals 6.
Okay, last number.
90 times 10 equals 900.
Wow! Let's do high five. High five. Wow. Okay, so you have to make 100 in your exam, okay? Because this is easy for you. Okay? Okay. So, are you sure you know this already?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so let's try to practice more. I will share my whiteboard. Okay, where is my whiteboard? Okay, here. Ta-da! Okay, so where is the text? Okay. Wait. Okay. So we have here 10 to cm. 40 to m. 20. Okay, next is 2 cm. 90. Okay, so can we try to answer this? Okay, wait. Okay, let's answer this one. Okay, millimeters to centimeters. 10.
10 divided, 10 divided by 10 is 1.
Very good. 1 centimeters. Next.
40 times 10 equals 400.
Very good. Okay, next.
20 divided by 10 is 2.
20 divided by 10 is equals to 2. Very good. Next. Next.
50 divided by 10 equals 8.
Equals 8. Very good. Okay, last number. Last problem.
90 times 10 equals 900.
Very good. Okay, so always remember that, Gabe, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so this is what you're going to remember. When you are going shorter, use multiplication. If you're going longer, use division. Okay? Okay, Gabe?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so that's it for today. Don't forget the conversion. Do you have any questions?
No more.
No more. Okay, if no more questions, have a great weekend. Bye, Gabe.
Bye.
Bye.